want to do a cool machine learning project and you are searching for data set and you have no clue as to how to get the data set. So what is the solution to this problem? Now, if you're working on a live project with a big client, the client will certainly help you in getting the data set. But what if you're doing your own personal pet project or a college project or some kind of a hobby project? How do you get data for your cool models? There is no one size fits all solution to this. You have to be very creative. The first thing which I usually do is I go to Kaggle, and in Kaggle I try to find out if there is an updated data set. So when you go to Kaggle, in this data sets page, you just search whatever you want. Let's say you are looking for a time series data. So just write time series. You'll automatically get a lot of time series data over here. Now let's say you're looking for some kind of a share market data or stock price data. So just write that stock price over here and you'll get stock price data for this. But yes, there are better ways to get stock price data than Kaggle. Now, what about if you want to do some kind of a macroeconomic work? Trading Economics website is a pretty good place. Over here you can get inflation data, GDP data, taxes data, and all sorts of various indicators at country level. There are a lot of countries in their database. Let's say you want to get population data. So there's a website called World Population Review. Here you can get the population data. Now let's say you want to know about the product prices data. So there's a website called globalproductprices.com. Over here you'll get prices for food items, for beverages, for electronics, restaurants, clothes, and whatnot. So whenever you start a data science problem and you feel that how do you get data set for this problem, you have 2-3 options. First is you can go to Kaggle and try to get hold of something which is usable. Next, you can Google and try to find out whatever data is available online. Now third is there are free websites which give you some access to data. So these are the things which you can use to get your data science project up and running. Now I make a lot of videos on data science, statistics, finance, economics. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new.